Hello friends, day 88 and I've had a lazy day today. I haven't got lost once, which has been very good. Walking along the beach for a long way, probably about 10 miles of today was walking along the beach. And I've explored Brora and Golspie, both lovely towns, particularly Brora. I really liked that, not least because it had a good ice cream parlour. And I am tonight camped in the forest. So take a look at where I've been today and see you on the trail. Tonight I thought I'd camp in a forest. I don't think I've done that yet on this trip, and it's got a beautiful peacefulness to it. And look what a difference a day makes. Yesterday the tent hardly stood up, today hardly a breath of air.